Kilo November 4 Delta Foxtrot Oscar.
Roger, Roger. And what's your name there, sir?
Roger, and what's your name there, sir? Hi, my name is Randall, and I'm transmitting to you from near Richmond, Virginia. Over.
Roger, Roger. Did we speak last Friday?
We speak last Friday? No, we didn't. I was at the work last Friday, but I've monitored this frequency on several Fridays, and the first time I was able to punch through. Over.
Oh, Roger, Roger. We did have a Randall last Friday, and I thought that might be you. Well, what radio are you running, sir?
You. Well, what radio are you running, sir? I'm running FTDX-3000. It's new to me. I've had it just for a couple plus weeks, and just getting to know it. I've been a general for years, and really a couple of there before this. I was using a little homemade 5-watt QRT rig.
Roger that. Roger that. Well, it's sounding pretty good. Like I said, I wish I had a better copy. I'm copying again through the Georgia SDR. You're about 3 dB over their noise level, and you know, I really would like a better, heftier signal, if at all possible, to you know, make evaluation of your audio. It is right towards my noise level, Roger.
It is right towards my noise level, Roger. Roger that. I have an inverted C dipole. It's an off-center fed dipole that I built myself up about 42 feet in north-south direction, and I'm running my Yaesu at 100 watts now with the handheld mic that came with the radio. Over.
Oh, Roger, Roger. Well, you know how to operate that hand mic, you know. Just pull it to the side of your lips and talk across it. That's the best way to deal with those hand mics. Minimizes any kind of, you know, mouth noises that you might incur. But, like I say, just pull it to the side of your mouth and talk across it, Roger.
And talk across it, Roger. Roger that. I guess it was about a month ago I heard your broadcast talking with other folks, and I've been trying to do that since. I've gotten fairly good audio reports from most folks that I speak with. Over.
Roger, looks pretty good. Let's just check out what you have going on there. We do suggest that you run your compressor in line at about a 3. In line on that compressor at about a 3.
Line on that compressor at about a 3. Roger that. I'm not sure that this radio has a compressor. I'm at the TX Audio Group menu settings in my manual, and I see EQ frequencies, EQ levels, and bandwidth for low, mid, and high. Over.
Roger. Well, if you're talking about you know, the bandpass of that radio, I suggest that you run that radio at 100 to 2900. If you have a selectable bandpass, I would run that radio at 100 to 2900, Roger. 100
to 2900, Roger. Roger that. I'm making notes of that. I think I heard your name, Jim. Is it okay if I call you Jim?
Roger that, sir. And so, you know, after you get that compressor, if you do have a compressor, get it in line, get it at a 3, then go to your ALC with mic gain in hand and adjust your ALC for mid-scale to 2/3 reading on your ALC, Roger.
On your ALC, Roger. Roger that. I did do that exercise a few weeks ago. I think I have that set pretty closely. How does it sound now? Are you getting any better copy on me? Over?
A little bit better. It looks like about 6 dB over the Georgia SDR level, but you know, and your bandpass, well, you know, I'm assuming that you are in the 100 to 2900 mode. It looks to be that you have about a 3 dB dynamic range, which is just perfect, which means that you're, you know, running about 80 to 85% average peak modulation, Roger.
Average peak music modulation, Roger. Roger that, yes. Do you have enough signal from me to make any more evaluation of this, Jim? I haven't touched anything since we began. Over.
Roger. Sounds pretty good, but like I said, I would double check that compressor to see if you have one. And as long as you're going to be looking in the book, make yourself a little cheat sheet about how to get to things, so you don't have to go through the book again. You just make notes of where your ALC meter capabilities are, your compressor, and your equalization. Those places are, you need to know where those are, and if you have them, Roger.
And if you have them, Roger. Roger that. Yes, I definitely have the equalization, and I did actually make some notes of the settings in the menu. They're all grouped together in a range of menus. I'm definitely familiar with where my mic gain is on this radio, and as I said, I haven't changed it from when I tried to set it before. I had a friend that I spoke with and tweaked the mic gain until he thought I was sounding very good. Over.
Roger. Well, you do sound very good. I would just double check on that compressor, but the rest of the EQ sounds good. Your level going into the ALC meter looks fine. Your dynamic range is just exactly where you want it. So I'd say get the Gorilla Tape and taper down.
Get the Gorilla Tape and taper down. Roger that. I will definitely do that. I am looking into, I guess, a windscreen for this mic, or are they something that's pretty easy to find? I wasn't able to find one looking on Amazon. Do you have any recommendations? Over?
Go down to your local music store and see what they have. Foam windscreens, they're usually about like $3 or $4 a piece.
Usually about like $3 or $4 a piece. Roger that. I will definitely do that. So I do really appreciate you taking the time to listen to me. I know there's probably a ton of other folks that would like to get your good help. Over.
Roger. Last transmission, you were well into the clear on that Georgia SDR, so you were like about maybe 8 over, so you have a good audio recording. So if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor, that will take you to our Qso-Vlog page, and on that page again you'll be looking for My Group Air Check 5/15/20, today's date. My Group Air Check 5/15/20, and it'll take us probably a couple of days to get it up. We might get it there sooner, but at least we want to say that we'll have it there by 48 hours.
Have it there by 48 hours. Roger that. I do appreciate your help so much. So I will say 73 to you and goodbye. All the best. KC9VKV. This is KN4DFO. 73.
Roger, Randall 3's that way, sir. Have yourself a great afternoon, beautiful weekend. This is KC9VKV and the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog net. If you have a radio you want to check out, give us a shout.